All right. Please, anyone, let us know if you have any questions.
Yep, definitely don't be shy. We are here to help in any way that we can.
Okay. We do have a question. How customizable is the AI's communication style and things like screening logic to help reflect a particular company's tone, culture?
Great question. Yeah, so I'll take that one, Joe. So
Sure.
it is very customizable. Part of the implementation process will work with you to set that up according to your specific needs and make sure that the system and the AI is configured accordingly. Branding and everything can be fully supported. So, all of the communication that would be sent out to the candidates when they're interacting with the system, of course, can be completely branded for your organization as well, including the actual application itself, just for your internal users. And if you wanted to have like different types of communication potentially for various branches, as you mentioned here, or different job types, that's a possibility as well.
Great question. Let us know if you have any questions about AI Recruiter or recruiting in general, how potentially Cloud Apper might be able to help solve any challenges or pain points that you might be experiencing. All right. Well, thank you again so much, everyone, for your time today. And hope you have a great rest of your day. And yeah, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if there's anything else we can help with from the Cloud Apper side. We appreciate it.
I'll echo that. Thanks, everyone.
All right. Have a great day.